So we call the name is Lola.
Okay.
Yeah. So Lola is a herbal drink from Bali. So for today we have Lola Pido. Pido is this one.
Okay.
So that consists of coconut water, tamarind, vegan honey, salt, and a little bit lime. So this is the Lola Pido.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I am still in Ubud and I've checked into a newer hotel which is called Gdas, Gdas. And this hotel is a small hotel. I think they told me about 20 some odd rooms and then plus 4 villas. And the room that I have in is a deluxe room with balcony with the garden view. So anyway, I'm going to give you a very quick room tour because this hotel is very interesting. Not in the room itself, but maybe the facilities and everything. You know, you can already see the wellness theme, you know, the color mediation and things like that. That is changing color. So I'm going to give you a pretty quick room tour of the room. It's a very nice room. Okay, so very straightforward. When I walk in, on my left there is a wardrobe. Okay, and then they put my luggage in here, and that is the kimono. You know, that is like the bathrobe. You know, with the name here, Gdas Bali. Okay, and then this is the bag that I can use while I'm here, and then it's a gift. They say I can take it when I check out. Okay, and yeah, I'm putting my shoes here. And then this is the silver area. As I say, you know, you can see it's changing color. Okay, so here is the welcome fruit plate with a handwritten note. Yeah, which is very nice. And then this is the mini bar, the snacks that you have to pay for. And and then over here, in the other side is another wardrobe with the safe deposit box, with 2 pair of slippers, and other, you know, kimono, you know, the bathrobes that I'm going to use. Okay, and then there is the kettle, French press coffee, mugs and such. And this is the mini bar that you have to pay for, and the price is over there. Okay, and they have the iPad with all the information. I'm going to come back in a second because they have very interesting therapies and things like that. But let me finish the room tour first. Okay, so now I'm walking down to the bedroom. Okay, it's actually quite studio style, open concept. So this is my bed. Very, very thick mattress, you know, with nice linen pillow and decor, and it's pretty new, so everything is very, you know, spotless. And then they have, you know, this type of like a valid type of central sofa in the bathroom. And then to complement on that, they have the bathtub, which they fill it in for like a really health conscious or wellness bath for, you know, for all the check-in guests. And then the bath salt is here. And then actually I can kind of, you know, add in some hot water when I want to take the bath. But I think I need to put down the curtain. I am just thinking that people can see from inside. I'm pretty sure they can. So, you know, that's something that you should be aware of. But other than that, it is quite perfect. Okay, so hair dryer on one side. I assume, as I was told, yep, hair dryer on one side. You know, with the towels. And then this is the amenity kit, the toilet, and then the rain shower, and then amenities. Okay, so and then let's take a look at the balcony. The reason why I think we need to close the curtain is because I can see through from the glass on the next room. So I'm pretty sure if I can see them, they can see me. Okay, so let's continue to the balcony. So this is the balcony. Okay, so they say that is House of Eden, and that is all the baths and everything. So I'm at the end here, so in which I can see the main pool and such. Okay, so that's kind of the view of my room again. It's not like very huge or big size, but it's very interesting with the wellness concept. And I'm going to very quickly, you know, show you, as they mentioned to me, you know, spa and wellness, all the programs and everything. So they have in-room dining, they have spa and wellness that you can book it here. Oh, okay, this is what I'm looking. So they have the health suite, which they have a lot of interesting programs. This one is getting into the minus 110 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Kind of experience for blood circulation. This one is the oxygen. So, you know, you cycle hard, you know, take out all the waste, and then you get the oxygen therapy. And then that's the salt therapy that they mentioned as well. And this is colon. Oh, okay. And this is the red light therapy. And then actually that's the IV, so that's some injection of vitamins. Yeah, so that's kind of the injection as well. So anyway, so they have very interesting programs, very comprehensive spa and wellness gym. They have 2 levels of gyms. So I think in addition to what I do, the room tour in the room, I'm going to walk out and show you the facility, because I think that is more important than just staying in the house. So I'm going to have dinner here. It's going to be a vegan dinner, and is like 2 restaurants are serving vegan, which is good, plant-based. And then tomorrow morning I will have breakfast here as well, or I will order room service, it depends. And I will show you everything about this interesting hotel, the GX hotel, the wellness hotel in Ubud. Okay. Yep. Mushroom soup. Perfect, thank you. And that is